Top Chinese themes pack. Change lock screen icon. Always on display. Custom lock screen. Beautiful icon pack. Change lock screen icons. TAP to custom. Choose icon you want to set. TAP to custom text widget. Clock color. Widgets under clock. Tap to change wallpapers. Default theme wallpapers. ALL wallpapers support depth effect. TAP to custom icon pack. Enable IT. Choose icon pack color. Maybe global ROM not support this features. Tap to quick change wallpaper. Depth effect. Music album art on lock screen. Control center. Next theme. Always on display theme. HyperOS to lock screen. Change clock style. Support depth effect. Home screen widget. Control center. Custom lock screen wallpaper. First, import original image JPG format. Enable depth effect. Next, import transparent background image PNG format. Wallpapers and video description. Try another wallpaper. Next theme. Custom lock screen. Clock style. Beautiful icon pack. Home screen widget. Control center. All themes include one backup file and video description. You can use it to restore on your global devices. Watch video in description. Thanks for watching video.